during COVID, I think everybody put on stress weight. I went from being a normal, 210 up to 240, 245. Didn't really realize it at the time, but I was just trying to survive. Went and applied to the show called Hell's Kitchen and, had to quarantine in a hotel and eat Uber Eats for 15 days and probably got a little fluffy there too. Couldn't go work out, couldn't do anything but eat California cheeseburgers and sushi. When I got my headshot back from Fox, I was like, did they Photoshop 13 chins onto me? I didn't realize I was that big. I saw that headshot and immediately knew I needed to make a change. And so I started working out, spinning my wheels really, didn't realize that I had low testosterone. So I had that level checked and I was at a 181, which is bottom of the barrel, super low. So I implemented a prescribed TRT regimen, got up to 900. And over the course of 2 years, I dropped down to 200 pounds. Increased my muscle mass, benching 315 when I was only benching 200. Way more energy. Started listening to a lot of smarter people than me about sauna and cold plunge. Didn't really have access to a cold plunge at all. And was able to do one in California with Melon. And they brought a cold plunge to their summer camp. And I got in it and man, as soon as I got out, I had this wild rush of energy and I felt like I had just done drugs. Like it was just, I wanted to run through a mountain and nothing had ever made me feel like that before. And I just started doing all the research and reading about it, and I have terrible knees and joints and the inflammation is down. My knees don't hurt after I get out of a cold plunge, and it's now like almost an addictive way of waking up. It's like secondary to coffee at this point. Maybe one day it'll take the place of coffee. Not today. I'm gonna need some coffee after this.